Hi, this is Ricky. I was at your store yesterday. I was at your store yesterday, and I've had vomiting congestions. I picked up a burrito yesterday, and I've been on the toilet all day.
Okay.
My name is Ricky. I was at the Viva Burrito yesterday, and I picked up a burrito, and now I'm vomiting all over the place. I was at the Viva Burrito yesterday, and I've been vomiting ever since I picked up a burrito.
Okay.
I would like to file a complaint.
I'm sorry, sir. Just like a little bit computer.
I would like to file a complaint.
Dude,
Would you like to file the claim?
Yes, because you guys made my food sick.
If you would like to come and talk to the manager, or call when the manager's here, he's here Monday to Saturday.
okay, say, okay, I intend to call them.
Okay, I intend to call them. We'll see them.
Okay?
Your burritos are awesome, it's just that they made me really sick.
That was a good one. I just hope that I played it. I did. That was good.